Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best embroidery machine for beginners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. At number 5 we have Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine. Featuring 138 built-in embroidery designs including scroll work, florals and quilt patterns, the PE800 has numerous options to allow your creativity to flourish. This product is intended for sale only in the US at 120 volts, and any other use or sale voids the warranty. At number 4 we have Legacy SE300 Embroidery Machine. The Singer Legacy SE300 portable sewing machine has 250 built-in stitches including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches allow you to sew a variety of projects, such as fashions, home decor, quilts, crafts, and more. At number 3 we have Janome Horizon Memory Craft 9850 Embroidery Machine. 200 built-in stitches, 6 one-step buttonholes, automatic thread tension, built-in needle threader, memorized needle up/down, one-step needle plate conversion, 7-piece feed dog, free arm, drop feet, LCD full-color touchscreen. At number 2 we have Brother SE1900 Embroidery Machine. The SE1900 comes with 138 built-in designs and 11 embroidery fonts perfect for monogramming. Preview your designs and browse editing options on the large full-color, 3.2" LCD touchscreen display. At number 1 we have Juki HZLF600. 255 built-in stitches including basic, stretch, decorative, letters and buttonhole stitches, meet your various needs for embroidery patterns. A variety of accessories are perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing projects, and users from beginners to advanced. They are all conveniently stored in the accessory tray.